Hey guys, and welcome back to Palmy Tea. This time we are going to make a delicious cinnamon roll, but with a twist. We are going to be adding bacon in the middle. Let's get straight to it. So here we are. You want to have your bacon, and you want to have it cooked just so it's still bendable. And what we want to do is you want to unravel the cinnamon roll. Get your slice of bacon, and sometimes you have to do two, but you just want to put it like that. Do another one. And then let's repeat the process until we are finished with all these beautiful cinnamon rolls. Cinnamon rolls wrapped in bacon. You just want to put them in the pan like so. Make it so like a circle. And sometimes you gotta have to move things around a little bit. And then you want to pop this bad boy into the oven 350 degrees for 26 to 29 minutes till golden brown. Now that the 27 minutes have passed, you want to open it up and look at that. You can tell it's done because it's golden brown. Okay, now that these are done, the only thing you have left to add is the icing. Now you just want to take a little bit and put it in the middle, just like that. And there it is, how to make a cinnamon roll with bacon inside it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And I'll see you in the next video. Later.